How about a fun exercise? Well, it's related to spelling and missing letters. Let's complete this exercise on the site together. We're going to complete the following passage by finding the missing letters. Pay attention to my spelling and yours as well. I might get confused at some point. UNESCO has added several places to its list of W, and we have H, sites. Word heritage. Okay, how am I going to spell that? Well, word, W-O-R-L-D. Now, the second part, which is heritage. Now, concentrate. H-E-R-I-T-A-G-E. Let's move on. These places, or S and then S, are located in different countries and include historic, CMP. Now, let's start with the first one in this sentence. S, places, or, yes, it's sites. Let's spell it together. It's sites, S-I-T-E-S, sites, plural. موقع إذا بتتذكروا السايت. Located in different countries and include historic, C. Well, it's complexes. Now, how do we spell that? C-O-M-P-L-E-X-E-S, complexes. Monuments and C, cities and buildings. Now, what is the place or historic place that we might have? Yes, we're talking about citadels. How do we spell that? C-I-T-A-D-E-L-S, citadels. Places like Petra and Wadi Rum in Jordan are on UNESCO's list. They are protected and preserved by both Jordan and UNESCO. We're done with this exercise. I'm sure you tried your best remembering the letters and the organization of them. Well done, everyone.